Hello guys, mag-chat tayo ng ano ng chicken guys. Para sa sopas mamaya. Kasi paano bigyan na sa Yes! Maraming pets. Kaya pagkabili na. Yes! I'm okay with my video. Char!
Hindi ako pinalayas mo.
Nag-iisa lang ako dito sa kitchen guys. Siliwan nila ako. Char! Kasi sila naman yung maghihiwa ng ano dun guys, vegetables.
Wala talagang forever sa'yo. Tandaan mo.
Huwag naman. Hindi ko nga inaantay eh. Baka lang may dumating. Char! Nalis ko yung ano.
Nalit mo yung
Ito niya. Sa may
isama mo na din yung sama ng loob.
chop! Ayan. Pati sana all mahaba ang kuko. Parang kandila. Ito. Mo? Ito, ang cute. Ano ito pa pala? Pang saan to? Pang sopas.
Pasok mo na yun dito.
Ayan guys, ilalagay ko na ito sa kumukulong tubig. Alam, hindi ka kayanin ng tatlo. Ayan guys, may kumuha sa aking video. Ito pa yung isa guys. Kasi bawasan yung tubig. Palitan siya, ginagawa mo ko. Ang dali bawasan ko ng tubig. Ayan guys, beans naman sa kanya. Uy, patayin mo na yung tubig. Pasaway. Hindi, ito na nga.
Yung maabang na yun.
Tanggalan ko nga. Ayan guys. Ayan, umaapaw yung tubig kaya babawasan. Busy kami sa pag-cook kasi Mother's Day today guys. So happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mothers. Shout out po sa aking mother dear. Mother dear Sinaida. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat po ng aking mga kasamahan, kaibigan na mothers dyan. Shout out po sa inyo lahat.
Baka gusto mong videoan mo din kami dito.
Antay ka sa turn niya ha. Guys, iwasan ko. Ang tatlong manok. Ayan guys, yung aming chicken. Para sa sopas ko mamaya guys. So after nun, maghuhugas naman ako ng ginamit ko.
Matapos na kami ngayon ka lang.
Video. Wala, nagpakulong naman ako dun sa
Sino man kami kinuha?
Ay, hindi ano, oh. Say hello.
Hi. Basta picture dyan.
Before you were wearing another kind of clothes, no? How many?
Father, either I'm crying. Yeah, you will cry.
It's on your right?
Yeah, I don't want to cry. No reason to cry.
You have boyfriend, you will come.
Sorry, I don't have boyfriend.
You have boyfriend, Michelle, you will
That's why I don't have Why, father? Why did you say that? You know. Is that picture? Kapal naman. Ganun. Magaganda. Picture pala yun?
Picture yun, may video.
Akala ko picture.
No, ano yan? Apas na lang bilang kita. Kasi parang virgin ka pa.
Kaya mahirap pag natakal ka. Father, it's still hard. You can read your hands. It's your hard. Paglagyan namin.
Tama na.
Magsasopas kami guys. Kaya ayan ang aming may.
What is usually doing in what is usually doing?
First cleaning, taking care of the kids.
You are not cooking?
I'm okay also. Night, only dinner. I will cry.
I told you in which case you will cry.
Only two things will make you cry, right?
Yes.
When you feel hot, onion and boyfriend.
Yes.
So don't no need boyfriend. Just onion. Kick out the boyfriend as soon as possible. If you have. If you don't have, don't find. If someone come, don't let him in.
No. Better.
Better.
You don't have.
No headache. No headache.
Ano to? Bakit nakadikit?
Uy, ba't may nasusunog? Hindi naman nasunog yun. Ang daming tubig.
Kasi yung malaking natanggal ko na yung
Ito sa inyo kami. Ito ba hindi nila?
Nandiyan na muna ako kasi baka sunog ko.
Ako naman na sa'yo.
Bakit 5 to, di ba?
4 lang kinuha mo.
Ayun, nasa kamera. O, ano yan?
Ay, ayun pa yun.
Ayaw ko 5 eh.
6 dati ikaw nga joke lang. She said, this
He or she?
She said, sorry. His mother, because you. She said, this one 5. I said, no, only 4. And then I used the one.
And there are two.
So this is 50, 150.
How many people?
Assuming because sometimes we don't know but usually 100 up. Ano sa'yo? But I think because Jason family is not
Yeah.
yeah.
Where they are? Somewhere.
Yeah, because
But in the what?
somewhere down in the world, it's still in the world.
Yeah.
Maybe in vacation.
Is it a plane?
No, Father,
where
in
they
the
are?
Mars, in the Mars. Which one you would like, Father? Mars, Mercury, Jupiter? Or on Earth?
Yeah. So they have occasion.
He said already.
Where are you? Are you?
No, Mayfood.
Oh.
No Mayfood. Before, count.
But now?
Now Mayfood. 2 months in Mayfood.
They were checking the vision. And do you know how to cut it one?
Of course! You try me. Just show your face here. Ayan. Uy, ang laki naman ito.
Liitan mo nga para malamig ba? Ano yung nagkakat mo na natin.
Hindi ka galit.
Malapit na.
Sorry, I want to laugh or smile, but I don't know.
I asked her, is she angry because I said it's too big. She said she want to cut this first.
Oh,
Rather than answer my phone.
yeah, sure. I will answer. And what I will say?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Hey you, where are you now?
Can you imagine? What is the name of this?
Manok. Manok in the Philippines.
We are Filipino, we talk Filipino.
Oh, Jesus.
You should learn us.
So, can you imagine? In the morning, you remember what did chicken?
The alarm clock?
No, wait.
What?
The chicken, what did
Chicken say?
yes.
Wake up.
No.
It's too late.
No.
What?
The liver from here. And today in the morning we did. Liver.
This day?
I thought that many people live in the jungle.
You want? Cheetah.
And I said, you are like a Tarzan. Like Tarzan.
No, Father. I'm not living in the jungle. I'm living in the city.
Yeah. The city.
I haven't met Tarzan.
Oh, yeah.
na wala. After this, mabibili alay. Okay lang, ginawa naman kaya sa doon napapakalaman niyo. Hindi naman karang kaya. Hindi pati ka mga mukit.
Ito guys, ang aming duty ngayon after ng dance. Kami naman yung mag-prepare ng mag-picture muna ako sa labas. Thank you for watching guys. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.